Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. This cruiser has 23,800 miles on it roughly and will be going through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. Tires on this bike are in really nice shape. Plenty of miles left on that. It's got highway bars, footboards for the driver. And like I said, this is a special, so it's got the oversized screen, 10-inch pullback apes, grips, footboards for the driver, and a quick release slimline tour pack. Also has pipes on it, and as you can see by that back tire, it's got tread left on it, so you've got some miles left on this. And the bike is super clean. I don't find any type of big dings, scratches, dents, anything like that. No tip over damage. And again, footboards for the driver with a heel toe shifter, our highway bars, and then bars, grips, and the special screen. $23,750 is what's on it. This 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it'll be going through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.